Hi, everyone. My name is Mike, and I work with the Monterey Peninsula Regional Park District. Today, I'm going to show you how to register for Let's Go Outdoors programs on our website. So to start, you'll want to type in mprpd.org and enter that in your web browser. That will take you to our full website where you will want to go to the Education and Outreach tab. Underneath the Education and Outreach tab, you will select Let's Go Outdoors. Here, you will find a PDF of the current activity guide if you would like to print out or have for future reference. But today, I'm going to show you how to register. You'll start by registering on our website by clicking here, where you will want to log in to your account. You will do so by clicking Login, and you will log in using one of the three options. This tutorial is used for people who already have existing accounts. If you need to make your MPRPD account, you can click here and follow a different video that we have created on our website. Today, we will be showing how to log in with email. You will type in your username, and your password. If you forgot your password, you can click here to reset it. Today, we will log in. Once logged in, you will see a full list of all programs offered through LGO for the coming spring and summer edition. Today, we will show you how to register for our Star Party on April 30th. You can register for all programs up to a month in advance as long as there's available space. You can check if there's available space by clicking on each session. Since there is no limit to the space offered into a Star Party, we can add this to our cart. Make sure that your account members are clicked. If you'd like to add an account member, you can do so here. Today, we will just be adding in ourselves. As you will see, all of our programs offered are free. We'll hit checkout. This takes you to our waiver. Please fully review our waiver before agreeing. Confirm waiver agreement. And you will see there are no charges added. Here you can review transaction. See that our payment summary is $0.00. If you'd like to go back to our payment or our waiver, you can do so by clicking this back arrow. Instead, we will complete the transaction. And we are fully signed up for this program. You can read the release from liability, any activity notes, and guided notes that you may have. That was how to register for a Let's Go Outdoors program using our website. If you have any questions, feel free to call the number on your screen. For further tutorials, please check our website or our social media YouTube page. Thanks so much and have a great day.